Get a perfect steak in 5 minutes. From your pizza oven, start with seasoning your steak. Heat a heavy skillet until the oven is super hot. Load the steak on a grill rack. Cook for 40 seconds. Flip it. Cook another 40 seconds. Unload the steak. Isolate the meat from the bone. Slice into pieces. Add clarified butter. Gently put the steak in. Pour rest of the butter and put back in the oven. Cook for 2 minutes. Add some fresh herbs. Cook another 2 minutes. It is ready. Time to take it out. If it is too red to your liking, just dip it a bit in the hot skillet. Enjoy your steak.